Hey yo, what is good? It's YaBoyySuperr here, back again with another video. Today, it involves another video with the Note 9. However, this one's a little different just because I had received something back in August or September. I had received something from Popsockets. And, like, I wanted to collect it and keep it, but, like, the one thing, I don't got nothing against collecting stuff and saving it, but this thing, like, I was going to save it just because it's one of one, you know, and technically it's not like I'm out screwing it up. I'm going to put it to use, and I believe that's better than just having it sit there. But anyways, around August or September, I had received this. It was a custom pop socket with my channel icon. And, like, say I was going to collect it, save it, or even do it for a giveaway, but these are only like 15 bucks. I could easily buy like 20 of them and have a giveaway. Hint, hint. So, like, the Tech 21 case I put on, this is an awesome ass case. Like, on some real shit, this is an awesome ass case. I love it because it's thin and slim and shit like that. However, there's times where it's too slim and I'm just so used to the bigger OtterBox. So I'm like, you know what? I had this sitting around. We're going to plop this on and see how it goes. I feel like that's going to look nice on the phone. It's going to go good with the wallpaper I have right now. So, like, that's the newer icon. Well, this isn't really so much the new icon. This is for the focus. This is from the cover photo I have on the channel. And I also have that shit right there on the PC, looking all nice and shit. So what we're going to do, we're going to slap this pop socket on this case real quick. We'll go ahead and do another ghetto unboxing, which it's a pop socket. There really isn't much to it, but I do want to try to preserve this packaging. Like, I don't want to open it all fucking crazy and all that. I'm not trying to be like Lamar Wilson right here. And god damn, they got so much glue on this shit. Look at that shit. But then I guess at the stores and shit, they don't want people stealing up. Man, this box is going to be hard to keep in good condition. Oh, there we go. Alright, so I'm assuming you just slide this out real quick. It's not sliding out for you, boy. Let's see. Does it open on the sides anywhere? Did I just open this shit wrong? What the fuck am I doing? How the fuck do you open these? When I bought my first pop socket, they didn't have these new packages and shit like that. Okay, here there is instructions right here, because I'm a fucking retard. Base sticks to smooth, hard, flat surface only. Hold on, let me read that. Oh, that's just instructions. But it said to cut. And I'm cutting, and nothing's coming. Pause on that. Oh, there we go. I'm a fucking retard. Okay, so there we go. We'll put that to the side. What is all this? Just instructions on how to use it. Let's see, what does it say? I mean, it's common sense stuff. I'm a retard. I'm reading that shit backwards. See, they didn't have all this back when they didn't have all these, like, instructions clearly back then. Before, it was just like a little, well, I had got like a deal at a Sam's Club. It was like 4 pop sockets for like 20 bucks or some shit like that. It just came with basic instructions, I guess because it was a bundle. Let's see, what does it say? Move me. That never works for me, so hopefully nowadays they fix that. Because once you stick this motherfucker on, it'll come off, but it's going to have a hard time going back on. Clean me, swap me, customize me. It's funny, it's a swapping thing. I was doing that before they said you could do that. Alright, it's pretty straightforward. Remove top to charge wirelessly. That is lit. I didn't know you can actually use the wireless charging. Alright, so we're going to... I think you just slide it out of here. See, they package these a lot better than what they used to be. And of course, it ain't working. It ain't working. Or I'm just being an idiot and just doing it all wrong or something. Something's going on. There we go. Rough. That is rough. Okay, there we go. Alright, so let's see how we're going to have this work. I want it right in the center. Let me smash it down. Let me see. Oh shit, I thought I stuck it. So like the icon's going to be like that. But honestly, a pop socket spins around, so it'll never stay perfect. Let's see, I kind of like that. Let's see, yeah, I kind of like that. It's right in the dead center. Use it as the kickstand. It'll fit my fat ass hand perfectly, unlike that wallet one. So yeah, we're gonna go for right on the center. I'm gonna use this with my own eyes real quick. I'll go ahead and let me make sure I got that shit clean, because you already know your boy's OCD. I like it clean. I like to know there's a strong bond between the glue or whatever the hell that's supposed to be. Okay. I'm so fucking OCD. Polishing cloth real quick. Because I want this shit to last, especially in and out of my pants pockets and shit like that. It probably won't last too long. Alright, so we'll do that little glue peel real quick. Oh shit, they got that strong now. It used to not be that strong. Come on, extend. There. Throw that there. Alright, I'm going to do this with my own eyes real quick. Just because if I fuck this up, it's going to bother the fuck out of me. God damn. See, I'm like closing one eye right now, making sure. Okay, we're making contact. I feel like that's going to be too low. Shoot. Okay, see, there's a logo that says Galaxy Note 9, so I wonder if I should just I could either stick it right on the Note 9 logo, but I wonder if that'd be too low. Or if I stick it right above the Note 9 logo. Now I lost the logo. Shit, okay, there we go. Oh shit, we made contact and it ain't coming off now. Fuck. Fuck, come on. I just need to readjust you a tiny little bit. I think we're good. I think we're good. Hey, I think we're good. That looks pretty straight, I would say. Let's see, that's pretty straight. Okay, normally I'm bad at that. So let's just make sure. So like, oh wait, we're supposed to like hold down for like, they didn't say that anymore, but before you used to have to like hold it down for 10 seconds. Maybe you don't have to do that now before popping. It was something to that effect. Let's see if the kickstand actually works. Okay, so you never had any luck with, wait, hold up. Okay, see, I always had that problem with the damn Popsockets. I never had this to work where you could stand it like that, but that's because you have to have the motherfucker way down here and that defeats the purpose. I need this just because, yeah, that is comfortable in the hands. That is actually secure as well. So now I can reach my power button, I think. Yep, reach that. It's probably better like this. Now when I'm recording videos, I can just hold it like this. Yeah, that's pretty comfortable. Now I'm kind of wishing I would have went a little. Where's that Note 9 logo? See, that Note 9 logo is like right here, like right. The Popsocket base is like right above that Note 9 logo. But anyways, nice little Popsocket. I'm tempted to order more of these because like they didn't send it to your boy for free. They just, it was a long story. I'm like, screw it, I'll go for it. So what I might end up doing, if y'all like these, if y'all really like these, I might order, because I think I get a special deal if I order like multiples. And I might do a giveaway with some of these. Like I might give away 10. I think it's 10 or 15 you need to order. So if y'all like these, I might go ahead. I might even do a Popsocket with that new design. But then seeing that shrunk down to this, it'd be real fucking swell. At least like this, you get the channel watermark and basic profile icon. So I think we'll just stick with this. But yeah, I think I might give away some of these. But anyways, if you enjoyed this, please leave a like, subscribe, follow your boy on the fucking Snap. That is where you'll see all behind the scenes and shit like that. I did a post yesterday, surprisingly. And it was my day off and I didn't post it on Snapchat. But that's going to change. I'm going to at least post once a day on Snapchat. That is the goal. It is YaBoyySuperr. I'm out, and I'll see y'all in the next one.